Hey, what's going on everybody? Marissa here, and welcome back to today's video on my channel. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, which is the 6 steps to building an online business in 2019. So I'm going to go over the stages that I actually went through and recommend to all future online business owners in getting started with building up an online business in 2019. So go ahead and stay tuned for the content of this video. Alright, welcome back to this video, you guys. Once again, my name is Marissa Romero, and what you can expect on this channel is a little bit of everything. So I teach people how to build online businesses, and yet I mix it a little bit with motivation, self-growth, self-growth topics, and also some of my travel content from my worldwide travels all over the world, because I am a digital nomad, and so I love to share that type of content with my subscribers and viewers of this channel. And if you like this video, get any value, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up, because I'm posting very consistently and wouldn't want you guys to miss a thing. So let's talk about stage number 1 of building your online business in 2019, and that is of course strategy and mindset. So that's kind of 2 separate things, but they're important to go together. When I talk about strategy, there's tons of ways to build your online business. There's e-commerce, there's building out a consulting agency online, there's of course affiliate marketing, you can build out info products, digital products to sell online. There's many ways. So really it's about doing your research and figuring out which strategy and which vehicle resonates with you the most, because that leads into mindset. Because once you figure out the strategy in which you're going to build an online business, whether again that's e-commerce or affiliate marketing or an avenue like that, you're going to want to believe in this strategy, because that is where your mindset comes into play. Because if you're kind of like building this out and doing this just to make money, and your mindset is only focused on money, you're not really set up to win, okay? And also with mindset, you got to keep in mind that you're gonna have to be delivering value to an audience and believing in the work that you do, and believing that not only it could help you, but eventually help others build an online business as well. And it's also important to know that you have to start with mindset, because if you have any limiting beliefs, if you have anything that's going to hold you back, you're going to have to destroy those and get rid of those. Because in the beginning, no matter which online business you plan to build, it's going to be tough. There's going to be obstacles that get in the way of, building it, and you're going to fail, and you're going to go through these steps that are going to be frustrating, but it's inevitable to every business owner, period. But if you have that strong mindset, the journey is going to be much more enjoyable and easier for you to push through those hard times and focus on the goals and the end in mind. The second stage of building an online business is identifying your niche. So what is that niche that you are interested in? And that goes hand in hand with identifying your passion, because you're going to be building this business and working on it every single day. So you got to pick a niche that you resonate with and that you have preferably an expertise with. And if you can't think of one right now, for example, or a market or something that you're really good at, go on YouTube and pick a skill to learn and become really good at it, and pick what niche it is you want to grow a business in, and eventually start to teach to other people. I talk about this in another video, being really good at identifying what problems people have and how you can solve it. So if you go in this video and check it out later after this video, you'll understand a little more about what I mean about problem solving and how you can enter the marketplace and make a difference in people's lives. Stage 3 of building an online business is you're going to have to build a brand. Now, what exactly does that mean? Now, I have multiple videos on this channel that talk about brand building and building an influence and building an authority within your niche, and I'll leave links to those down in the bottom and also put them up here. But The brand and the influence that you build for your business is extremely important, because that is how you establish the authority and the trust with your viewers and your audience, and that is eventually how you start to make sales within your business. It is important to note that this step, it takes a little bit of time, but it's also extremely fun, because the way you build a brand and an influence is you lead with value. So you pick a social media platform. The best example I can think of right now is my YouTube channel. I'm choosing this platform to give value, teach people how to do things, teach people how to make money online, and other types of, different subjects. And this is my vehicle to lead with value and to drive traffic to my channel. And that is where I'm building my audience and building a relationship. For example, think about a company like Apple. When we think of Apple, we think about, simplicity, we think about innovation, we think about all their great Apple products, and thinking of service and emotion. They've been practicing building up their brand for many, many years. But whenever we buy an Apple product, it's very, very classy. And that's why, more than half the world choose to go with Apple, because it stirs up an emotion and they have raging fans, for life. And that is the same exact idea when you're talking about building up a brand for whatever online business you are trying to build. And in the long run, having a brand and having an influence will help you make more money, and you'll be able to charge more money for the services and the products or whatever it is you're selling or driving traffic to. The fourth stage in building an online business in 2019 is, of course, traffic. Now, I love the topic of traffic, and you have to realize at first there's two different types of ways, or two different types of methods of traffic, and that is, of course, free and organic traffic, and also paid traffic. I recommend people getting started to pick free and organic first, because jumping into, sorry for the noise up there, but jumping into paid advertising can be a bit complicated in the beginning if you don't know what you're doing. So what I advise is to pick a social media platform, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, whatever social media platform you resonate with, and start to build that one first and build your audience first, because an audience equals traffic. The fastest way to start generating traffic first is to master one traffic source at a time. And so what that means is learning the organic ways to get traffic to your links and to the offers that you're promoting, and then you can start to focus on the paid advertising later on when you get comfortable using free and organic traffic first. The fifth step or stage to building an online business in 2019 is, of course, to monetize. Now, for example, I'm going to use the example of my business model. What I use is affiliate marketing as my online business model, and business. That is what I do. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I market other people's products and services, and I receive a commission whenever I make a sale. That is how I monetize my online business, and it works for the other types as well. Like if you're doing e-commerce and drop shipping, you're selling products on your online store and making money from all the sales that you promote. So you have your fixed cost, for example, of paying for the product from the vendor, wherever the vendor is located. The idea is to receive profit for making the sale of that product whenever you sell it online on your store. So whether you are creating your own digital course, whether you are doing affiliate marketing or other people's products, or whether you're doing e-commerce and drop shipping different products in all different types of niches, you've got to pick profitable products that are going to make you money, because that is how you're going to monetize and put money in the bank and be able to grow this online business and scale it up in the long run beyond 2019. So the last and final step or stage with building an online business is optimizing your current statistics and your current traffic, your current sales funnels. And you can do that with different types of softwares that track your conversions, track your visitors, all the data you need to tweak, your sales funnels, to tweak your email marketing. It goes really in depth. And this kind of leads me to my next point, which is, if you guys want to learn more about all of these stages, I have a detailed video series which you can click on in the first link in the description that'll walk you through all of this in depth. And it teaches you affiliate marketing, which is the online business model that I use to make a full-time income online, which is the #1 business model I recommend to people getting started online, because there's so many benefits. You don't need to develop your own product. You don't need to pay to test out the marketing for your own product. You try out different products that work for you that you can sell online. That is what the video series goes over more in depth. So I invite you guys to check it out after this video. I hope you guys got value from this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Take care, everyone.